Are you the hookup guy?
Yes, yes.
Come in.
Thank you.
So I dey stay for this kind of place.
Yeah, this is a little place I manage. Just feel at home. I was doing something in the kitchen.
And then the money go plenty.
Who is it?
You open the door.
Fuck, my boyfriend. You need to hide somewhere.
You get my friend, the fine hooker. What's you concern me?
My boyfriend is a.
I beg you.
Come! He's a ritualist.
Eh?
He has killed up to 3 people in this room. We need to find somewhere and hide, please. Hey, babe.
Hi, babe.
70 years old man.
After how many heads I've given this Baba? He still wants another head. I don't know where I'll get another head from now.
I have it.
No, babe, you don't understand.
I have head as usual. It's inside the bathroom. So, do you want to cut off his head first or you want to eat?
Nah, I'm going to cut off his head. I need that head first.
Okay.
Let me cut off, babe.
Okay.
Sorry, oh.
Babe, it's true too. There's actually a head here.
No.